looking beautiful too. Doyle really wants them. You can have one. It can be your Valentine's Day treat.
Is it? Have you been a good boy? Are you a happy Valentine's Day boy? Who's a good boy? Oh. Happy Valentine's Day, Joel. Who's a good boy? Good boy. Did you like that? Did you like that, buddy? Did you like that?
Yummy?
Good
Yeah.
boy, yeah. That was delicious, eh? You enjoyed it.
You could have chewed it for a little bit longer. Yeah. I'm like, no, I'm going to swallow it whole.